Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the auto lock on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the device. The app on the device, and you can find the home screen. Go to the lower bar, click the last option, the My, and tap to the last button, the settings. Here you can find the fourth section, the auto lock and privacy lock, and actually you can find the first option, the auto lock. Actually I don't use this function, but if you want, just click to the next white circle, and if you have a pro membership you can use that, and you can set that how long you have been away should the app automatically lock option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.